Hi, in this video, we'll quickly go over all the dashboard elements to make it easier for you to get started with the service. What is this service for? In short, it's a smart and reliable proxy layer for working with external APs. It's designed to solve three main tasks. For developers, you no longer need to write complex fault tolerance logic. Just route your request through our proxy, adding special headers. For integrations, if you're using a third-party cloud solution with limited functionality, our service will help connect it to your CRM using mapping. For finance, if the payment gateways on your site are unstable, you can set up cascading. This will save you from losing payments. There are tons of use cases, and we'll cover each of them in separate videos. Main sections of the dashboard. Groups. After registering, you need to create a group. This is the root container for settings and logs. You can separate different projects into groups so that their logs and configurations don't get mixed up. Each group has its own API keys, encrypted tokens, and routes. API keys. Here you create and manage keys. This key must be passed in the MirApi header with every request to our proxy. There is also a list of our IP addresses here. Add them to the whitelist on the side of your external API or CRM. Encrypted tokens. They are needed in two cases. For security, to avoid passing the external API token in every request, you store it in the dashboard. Create a master key and pass only the proxy master key and credential ID in the request. For routes, if different routes use different external API keys, you simply create an encrypted token and bind it to the required route. Routes. Use them if you need to. Modify the request or response body. Extract a URL from the response and immediately redirect the user. Detect an error in the response and automatically switch to another route. Combine several similar APIs into one route. Our proxy will automatically return the response from the first service that succeeded. Logs. For security reasons, we do not store the bodies of requests and responses, so only the method, destination URL, status code, and latency are displayed here. It also shows the number of saved requests and the amount of funds processed through them. General statistics. The main panel displays general metrics: the number of saved requests, the amount of money in those requests, and the total traffic volume. Plans and billing. All information about your subscription, transactions, and limit usage is gathered here. An important advantage: the service automatically validates card data using the Loon algorithm. This protects against raw number leaks and eliminates the need for you to undergo a complex PCI-DSS audit. This concludes our overview. Thank you for your attention. I wish you successful integrations.